for the past 15 or 16 years, we have watched transformation of the women's community here to be transformed into a self-sustaining community where they love and are committed to one another, and they learned how to multiply little resources into great resources, and from having nothing to having many sheep and to have cattle, and God has blessed them abundantly.
Tumefuraha sana kwa kuona wageni wetu wametoka huko Amerika. Ni pahali bali sana, lakini wamekumbuka Kenya wakakuja na tukafurahia sana, hasa sisi watu wa kundi ya Wedani Help Group.
Kwa hivyo nachukua huu wakati kusema asanti sana, mumekuwa baraka kwetu, na tunajua ya kwamba haya yote mumeyatenda kwa ajili ya upendo.
And it's just an inspiration now to come back after 3 years. We've missed each other over COVID, but now we're back, and in the meantime, the women's ministry and the women's community has doubled, and now there's 2 groups.
We started this group after the Wedani group, after seeing how they have continued well. So we started with buying chickens on hand, and our hen have increased.
And they are following in their footsteps. But I think one of the interesting things is that not only has a second women's group community developed, but now a men's community has developed, which is very unique here in Kenya, for men to come together and to believe that if they put their resources together, they could accomplish more than on their own.
So Reverend gave us this vision that we can be able to copy the widows in the church. And so we decided to be contributing 1,000 per month. We buy 4 sheep, but as we go home, 2 men are able to go home with 2 sheep. These men each year have 2 sheep.
I'm so excited about the men's group because they have humbled themselves within their culture to learn from the women of the community, and then take the principles that they've learned, and now there is a group of 22 men who have been doing nothing and now are starting to flourish. I am thrilled to be here after these years